Are you a site engineer living in a panic condition because of what and how to supervise the work at construction site? Then please listen to these site techniques tips which are to be followed by the engineers at a construction site. This will remove your panic. Stage 2 supervision. During the execution of the work of laying cement concrete bed of retaining wall. Tip number 4. Check and ensure that in case of continuous subsoil water oozing out uncontrollable, dry mix cement concrete as per the site condition can be laid to avoid draining out of cement slurry. Tip number 5. Check and ensure that in case of presence of water, subsoil water, and not controllable, the sand and cement concrete dry mix can be simultaneously laid while carrying out bailing out of water as per the tolerance permitted. Tip number 6. Check and ensure that the cement concrete is laid immediately upon mixing or within half an hour of mixing, whichever is early. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next video.